Hey, Bluegrass. Oh, hey, Lightning. What's wrong? Oh, well, it's been a year. I mean, it's been a whole season since I banished Apache. Oh, yeah. Hey, do you wanna go get some breakfast or something? Sure. Alright. Lightning? Lightning, hello? What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
They're stallions. Yeah. I wonder where they came from. I don't know. Let's go say hi. What? Hi to them? We don't even know them. Yeah, I guess you're right. Well, I still think we should go say hi to them. Fine.
Hey! Hello? Hello? Yeah? Hi, my name is, Lightning Bolt. And you guys are? Well, my name is, well, that's not important right now, is it? It kinda is. Well, fine. My name, is Black. Black, yeah. My name's Black. Black. That's it? Nothing like the Black Knight or something like that? No, just Black. Who's your friend? Oh. He was a champion show horse, but he's deaf now. He's deaf? Yeah. But, I can introduce you if you want. Come on. His name is, Mongammon. He used to be a national show horse. What's a oh, really? Wait. How do you know what a national show horse is? Do you know what show jumping is? Yeah, I know what show jumping is. Of course I know what show jumping is. What is it? How do you know? How do you know what show jumping is? Because I used to live with humans. Lightning, don't go running so fast. I can't keep up with you. Hey, my name's Black. Black? That's what I said. So is, Lightning your full... Oh, no. She's full grown, and, she's my friend. Oh, so where's your stallion? Oh, I don't have one. Then where's your herd? Oh, I don't have a herd. You don't? No, I don't. Neither do I. That's why we joined up. We kind of are a herd, kind of. You guys, a herd. There's only 2 of you. Well, we're special. We're a special herd. Yeah, we are. So, who's your friend? His name's Mongammon. He used to be a show jumping horse. A show jumper, huh? How does everyone know what a show jumper is? Oh, I was caught by humans and they tried to train me, but I got away. Really? I like feisty ones. Huh, sorry, I'm not really interested in anyone right now. Well then, we'll just be on our way. so we can form a herd. No thanks. I would not want to be with that creepo. Well, come on, please. No. Fine. What are you doing? I'm not talking to you anymore. Okay. Lightning, you can't stand there forever. Yes, I can. Alright, fine. Well, it's getting dark. I'm going to bed. You can stand there as long as you want. I don't care. I'm going to bed. Hey, Black. Black. Black, wake up. Wake up, Black.